actor? 5 passive income ideas just for you. Know their success rates, success factors, steps, and websites to use. Sorted good to best. No freelancing. Idea 1 of 5. Online voice acting coaching. Turn your captivating voice into cash. The online learning market is booming, and aspiring voice actors are hungry for guidance. Leverage your experience by creating video tutorials or downloadable guides on voice acting techniques, character development, and microphone setup. Success rate 25%. Emphasize on high-quality content, clear explanations, and engaging delivery. Step 1. Choose a niche, like animation, audiobooks, commercials. Step 2. Film, short and informative, video lessons. Step 3. Create downloadable PDFs or workbooks. Step 4. Host your courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Step 5. Promote your courses on social media and actor forums. Websites to use: Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Idea 2 of 5. Drama-themed merchandise. Got a flair for the dramatic? Design and sell drama-themed t-shirts, phone cases, or mugs on platforms like Merch by Amazon. Play on iconic lines, funny actor quotes, or inside jokes from the theater world. Success rate 40%. Emphasize on eye-catching designs, relatable themes, and targeting actor communities. Step 1. Brainstorm drama-related design ideas. Step 2. Use online design tools like Canva to create your artwork. Step 3. Upload your designs to Merch by Amazon. Step 4. Choose product types, pricing, and marketing options. Step 5. Promote your merch on social media and actor communities. Websites to use: Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, and Society6. Idea 3 of 5. Ebook on self-taping techniques. The self-taping audition is an actor's new normal. Write an ebook packed with tips, tricks, and best practices for actors nailing their self-taped auditions. Success rate 55%. Emphasize on actionable advice, clear examples, and industry insights. Step 1. Research and compile self-taping best practices. Step 2. Write engaging content with clear instructions. Step 3. Design a professional and visually appealing ebook. Step 4. Sell your ebook through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Step 5. Market your ebook on social media and actor forums. Websites to use: Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, and Draft2 Digital. Idea 4 of 5. Online acting community. Build an exclusive online community for actors. Offer members access to masterclasses, guest interviews with industry professionals, and a supportive network. Success rate 60%. Emphasize on high-value content, consistent engagement, and fostering a positive community. Step 1. Choose a platform like Discord or Patreon. Step 2. Create different membership tiers with varying benefits. Step 3. Record exclusive video content and host live Q&A sessions. Step 4. Actively engage with members, address their concerns and questions. Step 5. Promote your community on social media and actor forums. Websites to use: Discord, Patreon, and Mighty Networks. Idea 5 of 5. Sell character voices. Unleash your diverse character repertoire. Sell recordings of various character voices on stock audio marketplaces. Actors are constantly in need of sound effects and voice samples for projects. Success rate 70%. Emphasize on high audio quality, diverse character portrayals, and clear labeling for easy search. Step 1. Invest in a good quality microphone and recording software. Step 2. Record a variety of character voices, showcasing your range. Step 3. Edit and clean your audio recordings for professional quality. Step 4. Upload your audio files to stock audio marketplaces like AudioJungle or Pond5. Step 5. Optimize your audio files with clear keywords for easy search. Websites to use: AudioJungle, Pond5, and Freesound. Know any architect? Here are such specific, passive income ideas for them. Also, these tools boost your business.